Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create sentimental analysis using deep network. So I have a data from yelpme.com where I have the reviews of the customers and okay, let's get started. So I have imported few libraries here and I have my data. So Yelp is equal. I'll use pandas. So I have around 10,000 data where you can see um, we basically need my text column and star columns. Let's take a look. I'm going to just use my text column and my star columns. So I'll just do this. Okay, so now I have stars and my text column. So basically I'm going to use my text to train the model, and then we can see with the stars whether it's a positive or negative. So let's do one thing. Let me create a class where I have Yelp data, Yelp data, and what I'm going to do is I'll take Yelp only for star is equal to 1, and this way we can say that whether the user is happy or not, or positive or negative. So basically, we are taking 5 for a happy customer and 1 for a unhappy customer. So I have this data, Yelp data, text. So what I'm going to do is I am going to convert all this text data to lowercase. So I'll convert it to lowercase. Now, if you can see, there are a lot of slash n. So what I'm going to do is I am going to remove those. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put it in Yelp classes. Ignore the warning. Okay, now let's have a peek. Now I have all small letters, everything, and if you see, I think we have removed all the unwanted letters. So now it's clean. Now we can process with our tokenizing. Okay, so I'll do a max features is equal to 2000. I'm going to create token tokenizer. We have already imported. Number of word is equal to my max features, and I'll split, and then sorry, going to fit on fit on text, and then I'll be passing my Yelp text value. Just copy it. Okay, now I have fit the values. So there's an error. Separators. Okay, so there's some small change. So you have to give a space here for all the splits. Okay, now let's create a tokenizer text to sequence, and then again I'm going to take the CL values. All right, and then hit enter. Now I have to do a pad sequence of X. All right, now we are done with the data. Now let's create a model. But before that, I'm going to create some dimensions for that. Okay. Let's TM out. So this way we can improve the performance of the model. Let's create a sequential model, and then now let's create layers which we have imported earlier. If you can see here, so these are the layers. So I'm going to use my first as embedding layer, and max feature which we have taken as 2000, and again embedding dimensions which I have taken 128, and input length of 1 data. I'm sorry. Okay, so another model, I'm sorry, another layer. I'm going to take it out as partial dropout 1D. I'll give 0.14, and then again I'm going to take LSTM. So I'm just going to paste other models. Okay, so I'll just tell you. So I have LSTM model which is long short term memory. So this will improve the performance when you have like a recurrent neural network, and then it will help you to backtrack the data. And at the end I'm using softmax function. So as it is a dense layer, at the end we have to tell whether it's a positive or negative. So softmax activation function is appropriate for it. And at the last I'm going to use my categorical cross entropy, and I'm going to use Adam optimizer, and my metrics is to check the accuracy. So let's see. So now here is my model here, the summary of the model. So you can see what all the layers we have used it. Now let's create some padding data for a Y. See, I have to create some dummies. Get dummies. It's a pandas